Hello everyone, welcome back to CATHAY Pacific Fleet Updates YouTube channel here. With me, Roberto, Onico Ignacio speaking, and my friend Pam Toronto, Austin Rafael Huy. And today we'll be talking about an Airbus A330-300 that flew to Beijing for maintenance, as you can see here. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Lima Alpha Papa and C2 core flight number 6, turn number 40, with a great good distance for 1,987 kilometers, and an actual flight time 2 hours and 55 minutes, and track 25 degrees. And this aircraft took off Hong Kong at 1:33 a.m. local time, then landed in Beijing at 4:27 a.m. local time. And then this aircraft, as you can see, took off at runway 7 right in Hong Kong, and then landed in Beijing Capital International Airport. So this aircraft is special because she's the first one to get configured on A23J, and as well as it is nicknamed the Lap Jet. So for the details of this plane, kindly check the previous video. And this is another aircraft that flew to somewhere from maintenance, which is Beijing, unlike Xiamen. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.